Lemon garlic butter chicken and green bean skillet. Lemon garlic butter chicken thighs recipe with green beans, so addicting. This paleo, low-carb, keto-friendly chicken thighs recipe is a snap to fix and cook. Chicken thighs and green beans are cooked in one skillet for easy prep, and the flavor combination is spot on. With only 25 minutes of total work, this nourishing chicken meal makes weeknight dinners a breeze. Try this for dinner. Ingredients list for the lemon garlic butter chicken thighs and green bean skillet. 3 to 6 skinless, boneless chicken thighs. 1 pound, 450 grams, green beans, trimmed. 3 tablespoons butter, divided or ghee for paleo diet. 4 garlic cloves, minced. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1 teaspoon onion powder. 1/4 teaspoon salt and fresh cracked black pepper. Juice of half lemon plus lemon slices, for garnish. Half cup, 125 milliliters, chicken stock. 1 tablespoon hot sauce, we use sriracha. 1/4 teaspoon crushed red chili pepper flakes, optional. Half cup fresh chopped parsley. Directions. 1. To make the lemon garlic butter chicken thighs recipe with green beans, in a small bowl, combine onion powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. Season chicken thighs generously with the spice mixture. Set aside while you prepare green beans. 2. Arrange green beans in a microwave-safe dish with half cup, 125 milliliters, water. Cook in the microwave for 8 to 10 minutes, until almost done but still crisp. 3. Melt 2 tablespoons butter in a large skillet over medium-low heat. Lay the seasoned chicken thighs in one layer in the skillet. Cook for 5 to 6 minutes, then flip and cook another 5 to 6 minutes, until cooked through and a cooking thermometer displays 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 75 degrees Celsius. If chicken browns too quickly, lower the heat. Adjust timing depending on the thickness. Transfer chicken to a plate and set aside. 4. In the same skillet, lower the heat and melt the remaining tablespoon of butter. Add chopped parsley, garlic, hot sauce, red crushed chili pepper flakes, and pre-cooked green beans and cook for 4 to 5 minutes, stirring regularly, until cooked to your liking. Add lemon juice and chicken stock and reduce the sauce for a couple of minutes, until slightly thickened. 5. Push green beans to the side and add cooked chicken thighs back to the pan and reheat quickly. Adjust seasoning with pepper and serve the lemon garlic butter chicken thighs immediately, garnished with more crushed chili pepper, fresh parsley, and a slice of lemon if you like. Enjoy! Tips for the chicken thighs recipe. Remove chicken thighs from the refrigerator about 15 minutes before cooking to bring them close to room temperature. We use boneless and skinless chicken thighs because they render less fat and cook quicker than bone-in. Plus, it is easier to rub the spice mixture deep into the chicken meat. Season chicken thighs just before cooking to prevent drawing out moisture and drying out the meat. If you want to let it sit longer, omit the salt from the spice mixture and add it 10 minutes before cooking. You can add crispy bacon to the green beans for a nice flavor. For a variant of this chicken thighs recipe, you can use chicken tenders instead of chicken thighs. They're delicious and cook faster. Just keep an eye on it so they don't overcook and dry up.